I love my noodles and I need some moisture.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Let me some bean sprouts.
I am not prepared.
Where is my cheese grater? Oh my Lanta. Go! Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today I thought we would take me back to my Asian roots, and we are going to make a lemongrass beef noodle dish. This dish is like a noodle salad in a sense. It sounded super good, and when I watched the video of the original chef that created this, she made it look so easy, so good. The smells, it felt like I could smell through the video. So I'm going to attempt to make this and hopefully it turns out really good. I see no doubts in it turning out bad, but we never know.
I am not prepared.
So if you guys want to see it, then let's get cooking. Alright, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification, please, so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram, behind the scenes, what's happening in my life, all that type of stuff. You guys can check it out and you can see me every day of the week and not just here on Wednesdays. Alright, so the first thing that I need to do is create a marinade for my steak. So I've got some lemongrass here. You can get these at your local international, oriental, Asian markets. The only bad thing about this is I'm supposed to take it and grind it in a mortar and pestle. The only thing that I see being a problem is this. This is my tiny little mortar and pestle, and I'm supposed to take the lemongrass as well as some other ingredients and mash it in there, but we'll see. Okay, so lemongrass first, peeling some of the outside off. It only says one stalk of lemongrass, but I saw the girl in the video have two. I'm confused. Oh my Lanta. Go! Ah! I'm gonna bruise it. It smells delicious. And then we're going to we're gonna slice it. Oh my gosh, I'm so weak. Or my knife is not sharp. Oh Lord. Oh, this hurts. Okay. Just gonna leave it at that. So, I'm gonna just take some of it, put it in there. We need some black peppercorn, only a teaspoon, 3 cloves of garlic. So again, I'm doing this bit by bit, so I'll add the other 2. Alright, so I just finished mortar pestle smashing up my lemongrass, peppercorn, and garlic mix. Now I'm going to take my steak, slice it up into thin slices. I got a boneless ribeye steak. I'm going to slice it into tiny little slices, and then I'm going to mix it with my lemongrass, peppercorn, garlic, as well as some sugar and fish sauce. Gonna add it all in, and then my lemongrass peppercorn mix, as well as sugar, some sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Alright, mix it. Gonna let it marinate in all this yumminess. Ooh, it smells good. Ah, flinging everywhere. Fish sauce brings back so many good memories of me with my grandma in her house, going to Vietnamese stores, going to Vietnamese restaurants. So many memories. And I know a lot of people don't like it, but so good. So good. Alright, now it is time to prepare my noodles. I don't really know how to say them. Vermicelli, not sure, but wait. Now why tape it if it's just going to be sealed a different way? That makes no sense. I'm going to put it in room temperature water for about 3 to 4 minutes. I didn't get a big enough bowl, so we're having the water all the way to the very brim. That's fine, it's fine. 3 to 4 minutes set aside, and while that's happening, I think I'm going to prep my garnishes that go on top of it. So we have a cucumber. These are a different type of cucumber. I found them and they said Persian, also for Lebanese cucumbers. Not sure the difference, but I thought, I'll go with a different type of cucumber. So they want me to de-seed it, kind of scoop out what's in the middle. Just gonna kind of chop it. That looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna try cutting it this way. These counters are too short, too tall for me. Next, we are going to attack my carrot. Now in her video, she had an awesome peeler. If you guys want to check it out, her video, I will link it down below as well as the recipe, but she had a peeler that like just julienne, it just julienne, done, not even an issue. So instead of julienning, I'm gonna use a cheese grater. Where is my cheese grater? I don't know, but I have this. It goes on like a little machine, but that's all I got right now. So I'm just gonna use it. I believe it has been about 3 to 4 minutes. I think it's fine. I'm just gonna put them in. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna cook it for like 1 minute. I am going to assemble it and then I will cook my meat. It's still marinating and all that goodness. So, oh, I feel lost. I feel like a chicken with his head cut off. Okay, so we're going to take some noodles. I love noodles, so I'm adding probably a bigger portion than what she had, which I'm totally fine with. I don't care. I'm a noodle fan. And then we're gonna add our garnishes. We're gonna get some cucumbers, lay them on the side, get some carrot, put that down, and bean sprouts. Love me some bean sprouts. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So that's done. Now I need to make the sauce. The dressing calls for a 1/4 cup of fish sauce. Am I sweating? Can you see? Can you see it? I am dripping. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. My gosh, that's a lot of sugar. And 1 tablespoon lime. Well done. Alright, so the only thing I couldn't find was a long red chili. So I'm just going to take these little guys, dice them up, and honestly, hopefully, it's okay. Let me try it. It's red chili. It's red chili. Just add it in. Stir it up. Now comes the cooking part. As she said in her video, I want my pan to be ripping hot, so that way when I add it, it's cooking, it's marinated and everything, and I guess it stays juicier and you get that caramelization on the outside and it just stays all together better. So, waiting for it to get ripping hot and I will be right back. Ah! Okay, I believe it is ripping hot, so I'm gonna add some oil to it. Let it kind of get hot as well. And here comes the scary part, because it's gonna splash everywhere. Okay. Ah! It's so scary. I am not prepared. Ooh, it smells so good though. Okay, so while it's cooking, I need to add just a tiny drizzle of our sauce. It's splashing everywhere. I don't like this. I'm gonna try it right now. It just looks so appetizing and it smells so good. That's good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, time to put some of this meat on top. I'm gonna add some Thai basil on top. And then the final thing that she says to put on there. So she says to put crispy fried shallots. I couldn't find shallots. I only found onions. So I thought maybe it'll just kind of give the same type of flavor. So I'm just gonna kind of crunch them up and just drizzle some of them on top. Oh! Alright, I am done. I'm going to try it now. I'm super excited. I'm gonna drizzle some sauce on top. And now it's time to mix. Don't know how I feel about those fried onions on top. They're a little too crunchy, or at least the bite that I just had was a little too crunchy. Another thing, I kind of had a problem with the sauce. I couldn't get it so that it wasn't overpowering salty. Fish sauce is salty. The vinegar is acidic, so it's like, you know, lime is acidic, and then sugar, which should calm it down. But I put heaps of sugar in this, and nothing's happening. So I didn't want to put a lot because it is pretty salty still. So the noodles are pretty bland, but the meat, this meat is amazing. So freaking good. So I'm just gonna try putting some of that sauce right on my bite, seeing how that tastes. It added flavor, but at the same time it was the wrong flavor. It's just too salty. Too much. I'm not liking it. I want a sauce because now it's just kind of bland noodles and really good meat. What kind of sauce? If you guys know of a sauce that would go great with this, I would love to give it a try. I'm so sad that this didn't turn out the way it is. I keep going back, looking at the recipe, and I did what it said. It's just very strong. It could just be the fish sauce from over here because she is from Australia. So I don't know, is that a thing? Well, not sure, but it is what it is. After eating it for just a minute, right after I turned the camera off and everything, I realized it is too dry as far as the noodles, and I had to just put some sauce on it. So I did put this sauce on it. It isn't too bad. It is still salty, but honestly, I think that's better for me than plain dry, no moisture noodles, because I love my noodles and I need some moisture. So put the sauce on, not too bad, still salty, but if you have a better one, please let me know. I would love to use it. Thank you so much for joining me today on Maedae in the Kitchen. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, even though it did turn out just a little bit odd. Meat was amazing. Sauce, I want a better sauce. Anyways, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Thank you so much. Bye.